Schuil & Associates is proud to present the Silveira Ranch on the east side of Fresno County, one of the best working horse ranches and livestock ranches in the San Joaquin Valley. The arena has a lasered slope in all one direction and side to side for water runoff. The steer run-up will hold approximately 20 steers. It is also equipped with plenty of lighting and tie rails. The stripping chute is raised to easily take off ropes. The show barn features almost 5,000 square feet of space, 4 individual stalls, a working tack room, and the wash station. The horse barn features 8 stalls with a 24-foot breezeway, spacious tack room including several saddle and bridle racks, cabinets and refrigerator, and a wash rack with a hot water heater. 5 of the stalls have opening gates into the green grass pastures. The entire barn has 12-foot clearance, which allows for plenty of airflow. The Silveira Working Horse and Livestock Ranch is ideal for cutting, penning, cow horse, reining, roping, barrel racing, raising cattle, horse therapy center, horse boarding, veterinarian practice, horse breeding operation, dude ranch, wedding venue, and more.